Designed for modern industrial demands, the basic line Series B delivers advanced functionality, durable performance, and affordability in one package. With configurations ranging from 5 to 24 ports including fast Ethernet, gigabit, and SFP interfaces, the basic line Series B offers unmatched flexibility to scale your network as needed, whether for small setups or large industrial operations. Effortless installation with tool-free snap-in mounting and push-in wiring saves time and labor costs, while configurable DIP switches let you customize features like quality of service, broadcast term protection, MAC frame filtering, and energy-efficient Ethernet. Backed by extensive certifications, these switches are built for demanding environments, from offshore platforms to process industries. Discover how the basic line Series B simplifies networks and amplifies performance for your industrial needs, designed to deliver and priced to impress.